to my channel. So today I'm doing a St. Patrick's Day makeup look using a few of my old favorites and some of my new favorites. Kind of getting back into the grind of things, kind of balancing work and the kids and trying to get back into my makeup. Also, I am doing keto for a month and a half now, and I've lost 22 pounds. Yep. So I'm very proud of myself, and Matthew wanted to help me here with my video at the end and at the beginning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I've been gone for a little bit already, but hopefully I can get back into making more videos and vlogging. I really want to vlog, not daily. I think I will be doing a weekly vlog, or maybe every 2 to 3 days I will do kind of like a little recap. Do apologize for some of the noise over in the background of the video. Mom life. But overall, I hope you guys like this video. I mean, I'm wearing lashes, guys. I did my brows off camera. I did my brows with the Brow Contour Pro by Benefit, and yeah, that's all I used for my brows. I am going to set it using the 24-hour brow set it, also 24-hour brow setter, also by Benefit. This one came with the Desi collab, and yeah, so I'm just gonna set them. So for this look, I'm going to use a combination of 3 palettes. I'm going to use the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe Volume 1. I'm going to be using this shade. I'm going to use the Gemini palette by Melt, which is this one. And I might use this Katrina palette by Jessie Cosmetics, which looks like this. So let's zoom in and get started on the eyes. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tip Concealer. And we're gonna go in with the Gemini palette, which is this one. I'm gonna start with this mustardy yellow color called Mochi, and I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, whatever fluffy brush you have. This one is by Profusion. It doesn't have a name, it's just a fluffy brush. So I'm gonna place that all over my crease, literally. So I'm just gonna keep on adding a little bit more and more and more of that same color, Mochi. So now I'm going to go in with a MAC 226 brush and go into Fire OG, which is the one after Moji, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna add that a little bit lower and blend. So I'm gonna go in with that first blending brush and just go over it again.
7.
Alright, so I'm done doing this eye too. So this is kind of what this should look like. I'm not sure what's going on here. Was it really blending? I've been blending it for like I've been starting. But we will move on. I'm gonna now go in with Leo, which is this shade right here. It's a little bit darker. I'm gonna place that on the outer corner. For that shade, I'm going to use the Morphe M139, which is just another smaller blending brush. So I'm going to work inward this way, focusing on the outer corner. Just going to build that up. It's a little better. Now I'm going into the Reina del Caribe palette, and I'm going to El Malecón and placing that into the inner corner. So este lado, like, I'm all over the place now. Add a little bit of more Leo to the outer corner. And just blend the edges. Blend that harsh line that we had for the shade. Now I'm going to line my waterline with my favorite Marc Jacobs pencil. It's the highliner in the color Blacker. So I'm just gonna and I'm gonna add some mascara and some lashes, and I will be back. For the mascara, I'm gonna use the Superhero mascara, but of course you can use any mascara since we are putting on glasses. And I'll be back. Now for the face. For the face, I am going to go in with the Primerizer by Smashbox. And I'm just gonna do 2 cups all over my face. I absolutely love this primer. You okay, Papa? I'm gonna let that sit for a bit. And just to add a little bit of dewiness to my face, I'm gonna spray it with this Tatcha Dewy Luminous Face Mist. And what else? Oh, by the way, this headband is from 5 in Below. You know what that is? It's a bomb-ass store. Anyway, I have 2 foundations, 120 and 127 from Makeup Forever. I placed the darker one on my contours and the lighter one on my highlight part of my face. Gonna go in and try out this Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Concealer in 2W. And I'm going to blend it out with my same foundation because for some reason I didn't put my concealer brush in here. But I'm just gonna blend that out with. So I'm gonna go back to my handy dandy first ever translucent powder that I fell in love with, the Laura Mercier one. And I'm gonna take this Luxie tempered highlighter brush in 522. I don't use my brushes what they're meant for, but this highlighting brush is going to bake. Okay, so now I'm just removing the excess powder and running my brush through all my highlighted parts. And that looks beautiful. That looks flawless. So now to contour, I'm going back to an old favorite, Shade of Light by Kat Von D. I'm going to go in with this Eco Tools blush brush, and I'm just going to go into these 2 shades, well, mostly this one, and contour. I will be using the Anastasia bronzer in Saddle, which is this one. Just a little bit with that same brush. I actually don't want to do that. Maybe not. I will take this a bigger brush by e.l.f. It's a powdered brush. I'm just going to bronze a little bit. for blush, I'm gonna go back to an old favorite again. I'm gonna go into the MAC Cheek Pollen Blush. I'm gonna use that same brush that I used to bronze, the e.l.f. one, and just blush up these cheeks. Back to the eyes now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run this shade called Fire OG along the lower lash line. Then I'm going to put Leo on the outer part to smoke it out and darken it. And then I'm going to blend it all out with Mochi. So I'm just going to go through that motion in that same exact steps that I just described. So now I'm just going to go and add some mascara and brown liner to my waterline. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Tatcha Luminous Silk again.
Want me to do it on the side? On the side?
That'll give me that dewy glow.
What?
And for my highlight, I'm going back to an old favorite again, the Anastasia Glow Kit. So I am going to be using Bubbly, which is this one, and I'm going to be using this Luxie Dual Fiber Powder. I know my brush is all over, but I don't have any clean ones, and they are multi-use, so. Alright, so I'm just gonna go over my brow with a clean brush, which is the GH30 by Jacqueline Hill. Just going to clean that space between my brows and the eyeshadow so it won't look connected. But now that I've done that, I'm just gonna add some MAC in Selena Amor Prohibido. This is the makeup look that I created. It's very St. Patrick's-y. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, but I hope you guys are able to follow my Instagram and keep following me here. Share, like, give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below because we will also be uploading vlogs, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we'll be doing vlogs. So yeah, thanks for watching. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.